So we're out here at 1350 Aspen Ridge Lane, located on the east side of Payette Lake in McCall, Idaho. This home is located in the Aspen Ridge Subdivision. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath has all the room you need, with most of the square footage on the main level. It's an open concept living and dining area. Aspen Ridge is known for being a high-end, established neighborhood with mature landscaping and access to sidewalks that can take you right into downtown. The upstairs is one large bedroom with a bathroom over the garage. You're going to love this ginormous 3-car garage with so much room for all your outdoor toys. The backyard is ideal for outdoor games and activities. Whether you're hosting barbecues, playing catch, or just soaking up the sun, you will love spending time in this backyard. Thanks for joining me at 1350 Aspen Ridge Lane. If this home works for you, schedule an appointment to see it today.